Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twitch streaming account step by step clearly. Create a Twitch account by visiting the Twitch website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Fill out the required information in the sign up form. Choose a unique username that represents your brand or identity. Enter a valid email address you have access to. Create a strong password that meets Twitch's requirements. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Twitch. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Log in to your newly created Twitch account. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Channel and Videos tab. Scroll down to find the Stream Key and Preferences section. Copy the stream key provided in this section. Open your streaming software, such as OBS or Streamlabs. In the streaming software settings, locate the section for stream key input. Paste your Twitch stream key into the designated field. Select the appropriate resolution and bitrate settings for your stream. Make sure to configure your audio and video settings as desired. Return to your Twitch account and go to the dashboard by clicking on your profile icon. From the dashboard, click on Creator Dashboard to access additional streaming options. Set up your stream title, game category, and any tags you want to use. Ensure your stream is set to public so viewers can find it easily. When you're ready to start streaming, return to your streaming, click Start Streaming in your software. Watch the stream status on your Twitch dashboard to ensure everything is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.